Guys, new project alert tayo. Alright guys, so the name of the project is Script Tasker. So it's not the usual or typical game na nakikita natin sa Telegram. Kasi nga guys, the design is to empower users through engaging and rewarding experience. So the question, paano naman siya tumatakbo? So guys, for the meantime, ang pinakagagawin mo lang dito is to farm points. Now the question, paano ba mag-farm ng points? Execute, earn, and withdraw. So paano mag-earn ng points? Simple lang. All you have to do guys is to finish all the tasks na nasa baba. Then right after nyan, pwede tayo mag-refer ng mga friends natin. Ito guys yung official Twitter account nila. So nandyan din yung white paper list nila. Ano ba yung good thing na nakita ko sa project ito guys? So guys, yung points na binibigay nila dito is calculated and limited lang. So meaning to say, meron tayong enough time to earn CRT tokens guys na pwede natin i-convert into points. Then yung points na yan, magiging ton. So paano natin gagawin yan? Guys, ito question. So kung points lang pala magiging basis nila para magkaroon tayo ng ton, paano naman sila kikita? And guys, to be fair and to be honest, bago ko siya ipopost, bago natin siya pinost guys, kinontak muna natin guys yung admin nila. Especially para ma-address yung mga concerns ko. So my question guys, kung nakapag-farm tayo ng libre lang because of the points na ginagawa natin for the social quest, paano naman sila kikita? So yun ang pinaka-concern ko dito sa project nito. Now, ito ang sabi niya. We have several private partners and collaborators and more to come. So what the user earns right now is from our own funding. So guys, yun yung pinakasagot. Ito yung second question ko. Once na naubos yung pondo, magtutuloy-tuloy ba yung project? Sabi niya, yung swap function will be removed once the pool is out of fund. Yung pangatlong question ko guys, actually nasagot na. So kung titignan natin, bakit nila ginagawa to? They have everything to lose but nothing to gain. Yun ang sa tingin natin, sa perspective natin, yung pala hindi. Kasi lahat ng transactions na incoming at outgoing, ang tawag dyan, mga transactions na dumadaan sa blockchain, ang tawag dyan guys, smart contract. So meaning to say, nagkakaroon siya ng history of transactions na incoming at saka outgoing. So para saan ba yan smart contract na yan? Ginagamit yan guys para maging proof or mas magiging matibay yung pag-release ng isang tokens. So kung bakit nagkakaroon ng delays, bakit hindi nalilist ang tokens? Because kulang sa transactions na tinatawag. So yun yung isa sa nakita ko kung bakit mukhang magiging maganda itong project na to. Because alam nila yung back-end side. Kung ano ba yung mga cause of delay sa tinatawag, kung bakit hindi natutuloy yung isang project. So that's one good news. So guys, medyo mahaba na itong topic na to. So kung gusto niyo na second part guys, interested din ako sa project na to, gawa natin ulit. Now, for the meantime, kung gusto niyo naman mag-start at magsimula sa yung income opportunity na to guys, alam niyo na yung gagawin. Punta kayo ng link natin, guys, ayan, click niyo na yung link na nasa taas. Guys, ganito ha, huwag tayo mabulag sa mga magiging withdrawals sa atin. For the meantime, magsubok muna tayo ng maliit. So kung kaya nyo mag-encash muna ng 10,000 TRT, so most likely less than 1 ton yan, dun muna kayo magsubok. Then from there, i-compound na lang natin. Ulitin ko ha, hindi to permanent, hindi siya forever. So discretion pa din. Then guys, do your own research lagi ha.